You know what they say? Something that happens for the first time may not happen for the second time, but something that happens for the second time will definitely happen for the third time. Hello everyone. Hi, I'm Ananya Shetty and welcome back to my channel to help you create the life that you want and to become the best version of yourself. So today's video is an absolute special video because one, it is a collaboration with Isha's Life Hack. She makes some really amazing content on YouTube. I highly recommend you go and check her channel after watching this. And also this is going to be a vlog. So it's not like I've never tried doing a vlog. It's just that I've tried 2 to 3 times. I think I shot a couple of vlogs, but then somehow I was not at all happy with the kind of the way it's come out, you know, which is why I just discarded. So this time, for the first time 2021, in the month of January, I'm doing a vlog, and now I don't even have a choice of discarding because it's a collaboration. I somehow have to find a way to figure it out and do it. So yeah, let's do it. So today's video is about a 7-day vlog where I take you through a journey of how I create my YouTube video every single week. I am super excited for obvious reasons. It's my first time and I really hope that you also enjoy the process. So let's get started. Today is 11th of Jan, which is Monday, and Mondays are generally dedicated for all my content planning for all possible platforms that I work on, so including YouTube. So I was actually planning to, you know, create YouTube content in the morning, but as I have a toddler and these toddlers have their own time, they have the luxury of doing things at their own pace, which is why I was really not able to catch up time during the day, which is why better late than never. Now it's 10 p.m. and now I'm sitting down to create a content planning for the video that's probably going to go up live this weekend. I just want to take you through how my to-do list for the day looks like. Mondays are generally the longest days of the week, and this is how long they look. I know they're too much, but then that's how I function. Well, there are a couple of them that I finished and I forgot to tick them off, and it's also true that there are a few stuff they yet to begin with. This vlog also, you know, fits the list. So yeah, better late than never. Let's just do this. So today is day 1, and day 1 is ideation. You know, I try and pick up a topic and see if it works for me or not, if people are even searching for it, and then I start creating content around it. So generally to create a content this year, if you've seen my plan with me for 2021 video, I've created journals like this. So this journal is specifically a journal where I create content, and it reads, I am awesome and you know it. This is something I thoroughly enjoy doing, you know, playing around with stationaries, so that I bring back the child in me, maybe. So basically in the content creation process, what I generally like to do is sit down with my book, me, and the pen, and just jot down whatever comes to my mind. You know, it's more of a brainstorming session where I put down all the thoughts and the ideas that flow. Rather than, you know, doing the other way around where you go for inspiration or you do your research first, because I feel this helps me actually bring more of me into the video, you know. I also strongly feel this helps me give that personal touch to every video of mine, because all the thoughts, at least majority of them, are thoroughly mine, something that's very close to my heart. This is how my brainstorming session works. This is how it looks. I kind of write the topic in between and then write the pointers which I probably want to add in my video. And then I try and develop each pointer and add content to it. And of all the processes that it takes to create a YouTube video, this is my personal favorite. I just finished writing the content and this is how it looks. So once I'm done with creating content and jotting down all the thoughts pertaining to this video, what I normally like to do is to look for inspiration on internet, maybe on YouTube or maybe Google. I like looking at similar videos that is already being created and also do some research regarding the same. It's always nice to have an element of interest if I'm able to, gather from outside. So I'm done with ideation, content creation and content planning for the video. Basically wrapping up my day one. So see you tomorrow. Hey everyone, good morning. So well, it is day 2. To be very honest, I have not been able to consecutively shoot my vlog, which is why I decided that I'll shoot for 7 days, not necessarily consecutive, but those will be the 7 days that will be working on my YouTube, my upcoming video. So this being the day 2, so today I'm going out because I have work, I have a consultation to take care. So I'm all set to go out and I'll probably show you the place that I visit, hopefully. Well, it's 9:30 at night, and before I straight away jump into day 2 of how I create a YouTube video, I thought I'll quickly give you a glimpse of what really happened the entire day. As I started my day, I thought I will be taking you through my day. Not entirely, but bits and pieces of here and there, because I had my entire day sorted. I clearly couldn't shoot a thing. I forgot. Basically, there are 2 reasons why it did not happen. One, I'm new to vlogging. I'm really taking time to get the hang of it along with the other things. Secondly, my day was jam-packed. To start with, in the morning I had a one-on-one consultation inside in the city, and in the afternoon I was part of a family lunch and I had to rush back home because I had a coaching call scheduled from 5 to 8 p.m. and when the coaching call was done, we had to go on a grocery shopping for the week, and which is why I just managed to reach home right now. So I thought before I dive into multiple other things, let me just shoot this day 2, which I have been procrastinating for a good time now. So here we are dealing with our day 2. Well, my today's task for the day is going to be finalizing the content creation, be it keyword research or finalizing the title for my video, or even planning and finalizing the thumbnails. All these are more of technical aspects pertaining to YouTubing. However, they really do not take a lot of time. So let me quickly dive into all of it. So I'm done with the job and I can finally call it a night. I really had a long day and I'm absolutely tired and exhausted, and looking forward for tomorrow because majorly because I have a friend visiting me after a really long time, and secondly, I have not been very productive the last week. I was able to work only on Mondays, and then Tuesday to Thursday I could hardly do anything, like literally hardly anything, because I had a lot of things happening around, and which is why I have managed to pile up quite a lot of stuff which I want to catch up on tomorrow, hopefully. So yeah, looking forward for a new day, brand new day. Hey everyone, good morning. So I had this plan of cleaning the house before I go to bed last night, but it was already too late, which is why I just let it be and dived into bed. However, today I should be catching up on a couple of cleaning. I need to finish off the cooking because we had a house help who suddenly stopped turning up, so a lot of weekly resetting needs to be done, and we also have a guest. So I think first half of the day goes around that, and second half probably I will sit and shoot. Like I said, I have a friend visiting home after a really long time, and I really had to pester her to even show up on my channel. So this is it. Meet Anusha. Anusha, say hi. Hi. So she's absolutely not comfortable, showing up on camera and all of that, which is why she's close to being a statue. However, introducing her in a bit, she is a gynecologist. She's traveled all the way from Chennai here, and you have to say anything. You want to say anything? Can we stop the video? Sure. So this is it. Well, on today's date, the schedule was to shoot, and clearly I have my friend who's come all the way. There is no scene where I'll so probably the thing is I'll postpone it for tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. Bye. day 4 of my vlog, and today I'm actually supposed to be shooting my video. To get start with the shooting, there are two to three things that I need to take care. One, I need to get ready. I have to put on a little tint of makeup here and there. I've already kept my camera battery for charging. That's something I always keep forgetting. And now I'm super excited to take you through my shoot day. So basically, I don't really do an elaborate makeup, you know, it's just for camera. So it's a little touch of blush and maybe an eyebrow and a tint of lipstick, and I'm good to go. This is all it takes. Hi, I'm Ananya Shetty and welcome back to my channel to help you create the life that you want and to become the best version of yourself. Well, let me just introduce you to my Gorilla tripod. So this is where I shoot my vlog, and this is something that's absolutely helpful, but at the same time, you know, it really tests my patience because it keeps dancing all the time. Well, as for the day's task, I was supposed to shoot my video and it's done. And a huge thanks to the pretty lady next to me. She managed to do it for me. Well, I think I'm pretty proud of myself. Not that I completed the task, but I managed to get this girl in front of the camera and look at her.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
And she is leaving. Wait. And she is leaving today. And I really hope to meet her very soon. So yeah, say bye.
Bye.
It's day 5 and today I'm going to edit. Well, initially when I planned the vlog, it was day 5 and 6 for editing because I generally take a long time. But then this video really, you know, I had to push my schedule, which is why I now have no time to even postpone. So today I'll be taking care of all the editing stuff that needs to go to put the video out. I just thought I'll be a little candid here and put myself out there. So this week especially hadn't been very great for me, you know, in terms of productivity, in terms of getting things done, in terms of ticking off the list. It hasn't been my best. And I kind of reached a point where I really didn't know, you know, where to start, where to go, because there was too much piled up. So I am currently in this phase. So yeah, taking one day at a time. I have been really caught up with a couple of meetings, my pending work. There are a few things that I'm working on, my coaching business and all of it put together. However, finally, you know, taking up some time because I really have to push my video out today. One, I have to be working on my thumbnail and I have to create a couple of tags for my video. And yeah, that's all. I need to upload the video once. I need to just go through how the entire video has gone up and then upload it. So yeah, this is how I plan, film, shoot, edit, and then, you know, upload my video. This is how every video of mine goes live. I did not really dig deeper into, you know, technicalities of it. I wasn't sure if you'll be interested. I really didn't want to bore you guys. So if you're an aspiring YouTuber and if you want to go to every step-by-step detail, as in what goes into putting out a video, if you are specifically looking for any technicalities, aspects of it, then let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to do it. This was more of a, you know, very casual one-on-one, you know, on a personal note. So this was one such vlog and I really wanted to keep it very, very light. You know, there's one discovery that happened while creating this vlog is this, you know, vlog is a lot more easier. It's very flowy. It comes from a place of comfort because there is absolutely zero scripting. That you just have plan in mind, you put the camera on, then you blabber. I think this life is a lot more easier when vlogging. This is something that I realized. So by chance you happen to like this, I'll be very happy to create one vlog every month, only if you like it. You know what they say? something that happens for the first time may not happen for the second time, but something that happens for the second time will definitely happen for the third time. This is not my line. I read it one of the books, probably Alchemist. Let me tell you why I quoted this. This is my third time that I'm trying my hands on vlog. The last 2 times I've done it, it did not go live at all. I was deeply disappointed by the way it's come out, so I simply didn't bother to even edit or even upload. Well, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you all have a wonderful year ahead. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.